When this remote for dim control, receivers are separated as two zones. Press Z key to choose Zone 1 receivers to control. Off key, on key, dimming ring. Mode key for dimming hotkey. 20, 50, 100 brightness. Long press brightness to gradually dim down. Long press brightness plus to dim up. Press Z key to choose Zone 2. On and off and dimming for Zone 2. Long press Z key until for zones all indicator lights on. Could control all zones lighting at the same time. With excellent sync control function, multi-PC's receivers could be sync controlled by one PC remote. Zone stores 3-4 RDIY key. Could save the dimming on and off setting for zones.